welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. White oak on the mill today. 11 and a half in both directions, up and down. Hate when that happens. "14 feet long, 10 and a half inches wide on the small end. White oak. I think this knot's gonna be okay. I'm gonna cut it. These little electric chainsaws are pretty handy. This is a Badger, real nice little chainsaw. I think they're about 170 bucks on Amazon. I really like it. I'll leave a link in the description to it. The one I have, it's got a 14-inch Oregon bar on it. I don't know what I have battery left. I have 2 bars left on it. I can get to quite a bit. It's not a substitute for any gas chainsaw whatsoever, but around the sawmill it's very handy. Not bad. So what I want to get out of this log is 4x4s. It's got that swoop. I should be able to get 4 of them out of it, being it's 10 and a half, let's say 11, because I can get a 4-inch or a 7-inch can. So I'm going to build these 3.5 inches though. Let's cut it. Mill's warmed up. that'll do it for today. I got the first 4 done, and I got 4 more done. These have lots of waning and lots of twist, but these are going to be laying on the ground. And the reason that's why they're white oak, I'm also going to burn them. So I'm happy with what we have, but boy, are they some ugly 4x4s. I'm really good at making ugly lumber. They got some twists to them, and looks like Home Depot lumber. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Take care. Have a great day.